What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. Now, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you a number one thing that stops people from really achieving the amount of income and results in a business online, okay? Now, I struggled with this for many years. In fact, a lot of my members, my students struggle with this, and if you're struggling to create the results you want, you're probably struggling with this topic. So stick around and let's get into it. So the first thing you have to understand is what stops people from getting the results they want, and it's one simple word. Now, before I share with you this one simple word, I want to share with you that I'm also going to cover why it's so important and how, some specific strategies you can use to get over this limiting thing, okay? Now, first off, behind me, you probably see all these books. This is my bookshelf, and this actually applies directly to what I'm talking about, and the one word is action. Okay, action. Now, you've probably heard that word 100 different times from 100 different people, and you're like, okay, I probably need to be taking action, but what stops people from taking action, and how do you know the right action? So, first off, the first thing you have to understand is when it comes to producing results in your life, whether changing your financial status, whether it means getting to a new level, a new rank in your company, whether it's making more income per month, whatever the case may be, you need to take a different action. Albert Einstein said that the definition of insanity, a crazy person, a person in a loony bin stumbling around on their bed, the definition of that person is doing the same thing over and over, expecting a different result. So you have to ask yourself and be very, blunt to yourself. And are you taking different actions? Are you waking up at the same time every day? Are you reading the same thing, watching the same TV shows, going to bed the same time, going out to the bars on the weekend the same way, right? If you're doing the same thing over and over, obviously nothing is going to change, okay? So the first thing is you have to start taking action. And what stops people from taking action? Maybe you've heard it before. Okay, I need to promote online. I need to make, a Facebook post, or I need to follow up with people, but maybe you're not doing it. One of the biggest things that I personally experienced, going back in my journey, is when I started online, I remember hearing guru after guru saying, okay, I need to post daily on social media, I need to send an email, I need to follow up with my leads, all that stuff, but I was stuck on my couch, overwhelmed, confused, with my hand on my forehead, virtually sweating, not knowing what to do, and I never got anything done. And day after day, week after week, month after month passed, and I was still struggling. I was still working at my waitering job, for minimum wage or even lower, not getting the results I wanted. So how did I cure that, right? How did I start taking action? How did I get up, make a decision, and change my life? And that's what I want to share with you. And what you have to understand is the biggest thing that stops people from not taking action, they read all these books, they have all the knowledge, they're not taking action because they have this idea that it needs to be perfect. Okay, so if you think you have to take perfect action, you will never take any action at all. That's what I dealt with for many years. I kept thinking, oh, if I post on social media, I got to wait till I get the exact words right, and how's this going to come across and all that stuff. Or if I was going to put a video, I had to spend hours editing, and I couldn't just put a video up there because I thought it had to be perfect. And if you think your action has to be perfect, you'll never take any action. See, the way you get your action very good is by practicing. So you want to start taking some action towards your dreams. Now, what's some action you can take? Okay, you can start posting on social media daily. If you watch a lot of my videos, I share, consistency is key. So if you want to build a pyramid, if you want to build, no pun intended, pyramid, if you're in network marketing, no pun intended there, but you want to build a building, or, you need to start with each brick day by day, okay? So you want to start this, take action, don't make it perfect, remove that layer and that ability that you think it has to be perfect, and start taking the action. When you start to do that, you're going to see your results magically transform because you'll just be getting feedback on what action. It's amazing when you just start taking action, how quickly your results start to change, okay? So I just wanted to share that. I'm actually about to head out, meet up with some great friends. It's beautiful here in Houston, Texas. And if you like this video, leave me a like. Be sure to subscribe for more so you can never miss out on these powerful trainings. And last but not least, if you want to work with me more one-on-one, where we share with you the exact action steps you need to take day by day to get the results you want, click the link below and check that out. Anyway, my friend, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.